Damn, you need to focus, my friend. I don't know what you're doing.
You should not be looking at me when I'm doing this. Action! Why are you running?
I said I shouldn't be looking at you.
Okay.
I wanted to break from, what do you call it?
Hey, it's Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, we are going to be making a Senegalese dish called Poulet Yassa, which means chicken yassa. I'm not really sure what yassa means in Senegalese. I'm gonna have to check that on. Let's get started. Let me show you what you need in order to achieve this beautiful African dish. Okay, for ingredients, we have here just a few ingredients, so pretty easy. We're gonna start with our garlic. We have here garlic, salt to taste, white pepper, black pepper, lime, cilantro and parsley, red pepper flakes. If you consume red pepper flakes, if you like it to be spicy, you get some red pepper flakes too. Oil, of course. I have here my cut onions and the star of the night, the chicken. I forgot to mention the mustard. This is actually Dijon mustard. Get some of that as well in your ingredients. Make sure to check the description box for all the ingredients and the quantities of the ingredients. We're gonna start by seasoning our chicken. I actually had already started putting black pepper and white pepper on it, then I remember I had to come back and do this. So we're going to start by seasoning our chicken with white pepper, black pepper, salt, and of course our red pepper flakes if you consume red pepper flakes or red pepper spicy food. If you don't worry about it. Salt to taste. I'm just gonna put it. You know how much salt you need, so do that. White pepper, 1 teaspoon. This is going to be pretty spicy, so you have to make sure you check out when you add your pepper flakes because it's going to be pretty spicy. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon, and of course your red pepper flakes to taste. I'm going to put just a little bit because we're going to add some when we're making the soup. Start by frying your seasoned chicken. I have already put my oil on the fire. I'm going to turn my chicken because it's looking so far a little bit good. So here we have together cilantro and parsley. If you know me, you know that I really like cilantro and parsley and oregano. Those are my favorite. Cilantro, parsley, oregano, and basil, my favorite spices. So we have our cilantro and parsley ready. We're gonna go check on the chicken. You should fry your chicken just a little bit, not as much as I did mine. It's up to you. I like my chicken a little bit more fried, so that's why I left mine a little bit longer in the pot. We're gonna go ahead, remove the chicken, then add your onions to fry. Time to add your onions. Now that we have cooked our onions for about 3 minutes, we're gonna add our garlic. I'm gonna cook that together with the onions. About 2 minutes with the onions. So now that the onions look pretty ready, let's season our onion. Black pepper, white pepper, salt to taste, pepper flakes to taste. Add your lime juice. Add the mustard. Add your chicken. And then your cilantro and parsley. You're going to cover your pot and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and it will be ready to be served. I'm currently also cooking my rice on the side. Our meal is ready. Let's go and plate it. I've already cooked my rice right here, so we're gonna go ahead and serve that. We're going to place the rice in the plate. I don't want it to fall. There you go. Rice looks good. Take the plate. We're gonna just decorate that a little bit. So here is our famous Poulet Yassa. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button if you have not yet done so. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah. We're going to do a taste test. Really excited. Wow, I can't believe this is my first time making Poulet Yassa, but this is not my first time eating it. First time I had this was in an African restaurant in Paris and I loved it. So you gotta try this recipe. It's really good. I put a little bit of my touch to it, because that's what you always do, right? Even when you follow a recipe, you want to put a little bit of your touch to it to give it a uniqueness. And I'm loving it. This is really good. This is better than I remembered. Wow. I'm eating all of this.